in a way, this was a group project. We were sitting around at the state fair, and the director, this is 10 years ago, said, maybe we could paint on the outside of the building. And so several of us started brainstorming about that and got this idea of using the American Gothic picture. And from then on, it was just a lot of fun. I did a watercolor and went to the director of the fair, and he said, what would it take to get that at the fair? And we told him he'd have to build a faux wall. And they did it, and had me come and be artist in residence during the whole fair in 2012, and had such a fun time creating this. And people do seem to enjoy it. This mural at Parkview Christian Church here in Sedalia, my idea was that when people are being baptized, this is right over their baptismal, that they'll look like they're in the same river, the Jordan River, with John the Baptist and Jesus. And that's for the congregation, they're watching this, they see the people being baptized from their waist up. They look like they're in that same river. We're in Parkview Christian Church again. And this is several years old. The pastor's wife asked me to create a park for the children for one of their Sunday school rooms. And that's what this is, something to be very inviting to little preschoolers. We've got a pond, but you can't see everything because they have to use the room. And playground equipment, trees, a little park for them to walk in, and as many animals as I could fit in. And the children do play with the animals. It's fun to watch. This star mural was a leadership project for the seniors in the area several years ago. It's a project where the seniors get together with business leaders and they come up with an idea for some project to benefit the community. And they decided to have a mural, commission a mural. So we decided, this was sort of like group working together, that we would feature people who had been born in Sedalia, gone clear through school here, and went on to gain national notoriety. And we've got quite a few people that have done that. So we featured them in this mural. We're at the Shepherd's Place, and this mural, it says Eternity over it, is called The Dash. We could call this the Three Lindas project, because Linda Smith, who owns the Shepherd's Place together with her husband Gary, had the idea. The dash is that little mark on a tombstone between your birth date and your death date that represents your life. And compared to eternity, it's so short. And we wanted to illustrate that and have people start thinking about where they want to spend eternity and what they should do to prepare for that. And then I've said the Three Lindas because my friend Linda Rhodes helped paint this with me. So I had a partner on this project. Dr. Teresa Gatton commissioned this mural. She owns this building and has created a wonderful art room for giving lessons and craft lessons, and a lovely spot. They have music night, open mic night in here. And it's got a lot of ideas in it because it's the story of the building and all the things that the building has been used for through the years. I call this mural Springtime Anytime. My thought was that even on gray, gloomy days or cold days, rainy days, we could still come by and people could come by this mural and enjoy a little taste of springtime. And all of those flowers took a long time, and Glenda Miller was my helper and painted probably about almost as much as I did on this one. Adam Hall and Travis Farr of Randall's, that's what this place is, Randall's Automotive, commissioned this mural, and they wanted me to do something powerful to bring glory to God, a strong message. So the strongest thing I could think of was the actual crucifixion and resurrection of Jesus. I made that plan and tried to show a timeline where he's carrying his cross up the hill, he's crucified. It shows him off the cross with his mother holding him, and then the resurrection, the great thing that happened. I call this mural my magnum opus, my great work. This is the thing that is my favorite piece of art that I've done ever. I would love to have more opportunities to do things like this in public venues where just normal people go. Not necessarily church people, but people that need to know Jesus. Hello again. Here we are at a show of my paintings, 2 galleries full of my paintings at the Hayden Liberty Center. And in a way, we've come full circle because this painting shows the mural that we started with.